A once roaring lion of the Philippines' political landscape, Duterte has now been labeled a coward by his own people. All they want is justice, to bring an end to the memory of their lost family members that remains a seething wound in their hearts and in the Philippines' history.
Maramdaman namin kung paano naman yung ginawa niya. Kung makukulong siya habang buhay, kung doon na siya mamamatay, malaki na namin pasasalamat siya. Na nabigyan ng katarungan ng pagkamatay ng pamilya namin. Siyempre, galit kami. Kasi hindi siya makakausap eh. Hindi niya maaamin yung mga kasalanan niya.
Kaya sa amin, inaabangan lang namin yung justisya namin para mabigyan ng katarungan lahat patay niya.